In this video, we will try to sort a list and we will try to find the largest three elements in a list. So let us do it. So we will take the help of the list SPC list, which is already displayed. Now we can use a function SPC list dot. Okay, the moment we write dot, plenty of a pop-up comes and one is sort. So if I use sort, and here we will be sorting the list. If I simply write sort, the list will be sorted, but I want to sort, and if I sort it, it will be sorted in a ascending order. So reverse equals to true. We write reverse equals to true. See, when we have written this sort, something flashed on the screen. Dot sort once we put bracket, can you see that reverse equals to false? That means by default it is in ascending order, but if I make reverse equals to true, it will be in descending order. So we write reverse equals to true. So now what will happen is SPC list. See, what I want is the largest three elements in the list. First, let us display the list. So we can see that the list is now in descending order. Now these are actually the three elements, the largest three elements in the list. So how to display only these three elements from the list? We know that this index number is, this is 0, this is 1, and this is 2, and this is 3. So if I write 0, 3, it displays from 0 to 2. That is the first three elements. It does not display the fourth one, that is the third index one. So it will display one less than that. So to display the largest three elements in a list, we can first sort it, give parameter reverse equals to true, and then slice the string, slice the list. SPC list, we write 0:3, and we will be having the largest three elements from the list.